So, kind of an interesting issue. This is the original MacBook adapter, and I have connected it to my iPad and for charging, and when I touch the iPad I get around 5 volts, 5 volts, but get a load of this. When I connect my iPhone, it's kind of hard doing this thing with just one hand, and iPhone is now charging. When I touch the mesh of the iPhone, I get 50 volts. Ask me how I figured that out. I was leaning like this and I tried to talk. Needless to say, I got electrocuted. So kind of strange issue, and again, it may be something with my wiring. I'm not quite sure, the house is old, but this should not happen, I think. I might be wrong though. And this is 220 is perfectly isolated, I think. So kind of a strange issue.